What up guys, welcome back, good morning. My name is Kamal Khalaf, currently 9 o'clock in the morning, West Coast. Looking to take a couple puts on SPX while I'm watching the SPY. You can see the descending resistance on the daily. It got tested 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and now we are touching it. I'm expecting a reversal. I'm gonna take a small entry right here. Alright, so far I'm just holding 1 contract. Looking to add more. Stop loss over the $0.50, over 50 cents. Matter of fact, I'm gonna adjust my stop loss to the next 5-minute candle that makes a new high. And that rally for the past 2 weeks has been resilient. And it's getting very dangerous for bulls. It's very dangerous right here. I wouldn't be comfortable taking calls. Now the 5-minute candle made a new high, but I don't see that much strength. I don't see that much volume coming. Let's say I'm gonna put my stop loss to higher day. The cross of higher day, that's my stop loss. I'm gonna give it a chance. Looking to enter the next 5-minute candle that makes a new low, which is also the 20 moving average in the 1 minute. That also means it's going under 90 cents, 85 cents. It's moving away from the whole dollar, the 441, which is good. Added right here. Now the VIX is dropping like crazy, which means the SPY is supposed to go up. But again, it's very dangerous right now for the bulls. That resilient rally for the past 2 weeks is approaching resistance. And I just feel a pullback is imminent. It's coming. Now on the 1 minute, the 9 moving average is about to cross the 20 moving average to the downside. I'm still holding my position. Let's break that psychological 75 cents. 10 more seconds, we have a new 5-minute. I added to my position right here. Currently holding 3 contracts of SPX. Watching the SPY charts. There we go. There we go. There we go. Don't just stop. Keep going down to the VWAP. You know what? I'm fine right here. I'm gonna sell right here. I'm gonna flat in my position. Flat. Nice. Nice. We made almost 50% today. That's amazing. So, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more live stream videos, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Peace.